Hello everyone, welcome to Metallurgical Engineering YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to tell you the official answer key of this GATE MT 2023, this which is released by IIT Kanpur. So first this we are going to discuss about the general aptitude. So for this first question the correct answer is B. In the second question the correct answer is C. This third question, and this detailed solution will be this released in this next video. For this third question the correct answer is B, 28 by 5. For this fourth question the correct answer is D. For this fifth question the correct answer is C. For this sixth question the correct answer is D. For this seventh question the correct answer is A. For this eighth question the correct answer is C. This ninth question, the coefficient, the correct answer is A. For this 10th question the correct answer is rhombus, D. Now we are going to discuss about this 1 mark question, which is for this technical question, metallurgical engineering. So at 1 atmospheric pressure alpha iron transformed to gamma iron above 912 degrees Celsius. The density of gamma iron is more than that of alpha iron. Choose the correct answer. So for this the correct answer is A. Increasing the pressure above 1 atmosphere lowers the alpha iron to gamma iron transition temperature. So the correct answer is A. For the second question, formation of ideal solution leads to the increase in entropy. So the correct answer is A. The 13th question, in this case order and degree of the differential equation we have to identify. So the correct answer is order is 2 and degree is 1. So this is the correct answer, which is A here. For this 14th question the correct answer is A. Iron can reduce NiO at all temperature, and already in this case some memory based questions we have already released 1 week ago, so in which we have discussed about the solution for this question. Question number 13, this 15th. So for laminar fluid flow through a smooth circular tube, the relation between the friction factor and Reynolds number. So the correct answer is for this 16 by Re. F is equal to 16 by Re. The correct answer is A. Among the following options, a process of liquid-liquid separation, which is we called smelting, for example in blast furnace. The most effective concentration is step for the sulfide ore. So the correct answer is froth flotation, which is used for the sulfide ore. The gas distribution in blast furnace is controlled by the shape of cohesive zone. The correct answer is A. Diamond has low electrical conductivity. So the correct answer is A here. Now we will see for this 20th question. Self-diffusion in polycrystalline copper with the lattice diffusion coefficient DL, grain boundary diffusion coefficient DGB, surface diffusion coefficient DS. The correct this relationship is, so the correct answer is A. DS is greater than DGB and DGB is greater than DL. Next question, 21. So magnitude of Burgess vector of a dislocation resulting from reaction of dislocation with Burgess vector A by 2 1 0 1, A by 2 0 bar 1 bar 1. So for this the correct answer is A by root 2. 22nd question. The mechanism of creep for a single crystal is depicted in the schematic. This one. For this, the correct answer is neighbor hearing creep. And if you have any doubt related any options, you can comment. So we'll discuss more about that. 23. The value of this particular limit. So the correct answer will be, which is given in the answer sheet, is A, minus 38 by 10. So this is the matching problem. So we have already discussed in this this memory based question. So for this 24th question, so this cold shut will have forging, this chipper brake has this rolling, stretchers is strain, sheet metal forming, center brush in drying. So the correct answer is A here. Enrolling the point on the surface of contact between roll and seat where surface velocity of the roll is equal to velocity of the seat is referred as. So in this we have the answer is no slip point. Correct answer is A. Now the question number 26, which is I think again MSQ, more than one option will be correct in this. So when crack propagate in the brittle material, the following options are correct. So the correct answer which is given is elastic strain energy decreases and surface energy increases. So correct answer is A and B here. The next question, which of the following are responsible for reducing the high cycle fatigue of a component? So in this case, the correct answer is A, increasing the mean stress at constant amplitude and increase the surface roughness. So these two things will leads to the reducing the high cycle fatigue life. So the correct answer is A and B here. Now the next question is 28, which is the non-destructive testing techniques for detecting internal defects in a steel component. So for this, the correct answer is X-ray tomography, ultrasonic technique, and gamma radiography. So the correct answer is A, B, and C. This dye penetrate technique is only for the this detecting surface defect. So the correct answer is A, B, and C. Next question. The conditions for high degree of mutual substitutional solid solubility for two metals. So this will tell about the Hume-Rothery rule. So the metals have same valency, the correct. And next one is metals should have same crystal structure, that will be correct. The difference in atomic size of the metal should be less than 15%, this is also correct. The difference in electronegativity of metal should be large, so this is wrong, it should be same. So the correct answer is A, B, and C here. Now the next question is numerical type problem, so in which the sum of the eigenvalue of the matrix, so this we have already discussed in our this memory based problem. In this answer is 0. 31, the probability of setting an easy exam paper by three setters are half, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So if all three are setting one paper each, then the probability that at least one of the paper will be easy. So the right answer is 0.74 to 0.76. So if you have answered between this, you will get a 1 mark. Maximum number of phase that can be in equilibrium for 5 component system at constant temperature and pressure. So for this, the answer is 5. So you have to apply the Gibbs phase rule. So the correct answer is 5 here. Now the next problem is on this numerical problem. A liquid of density of 900 kg per meter cube is flowing over a flat plate with a free stream velocity of 0.1 meter per second. The laminar boundary layer thickness of distance of 0.2 meter from the leading edge of the plate is 0.007 meters. So the viscosity of the liquid in centipoise is how much? So the answer for this question is 0.84 to 0.92. So between this, if you have, you will get the right answer. You will get the 1 mark. Next problem is the rate constant of reaction at 400 K is 3 times the value of 300 K. The activation energy of the reaction in kilojoule per mole. So the right answer for this question is between 10.5 to 11.5. Maximum value of function fx is equal to 4x cube minus 24x square plus 36 in the domain of -1 to 5. So what will be the maximum value of this function? So the right answer is 36 here. Now we'll move to the 2 marks question, which is start from question number 36. So it is one of the matching problem. So for this, the right answer is, for this gives free energy. So it's matched with, it depends on the temperature and pressure and composition. Helmholtz free energy depends on the temperature, volume and composition. Enthalpy will depend on the entropy, pressure and composition, and internal energy will depend on the entropy, volume and composition. So the correct answer is A here. We have already discussed in our this memory based problem. Now the next is 37. So in this we have again this molecular momentum transport, which will be the Newton's law of viscosity, molecular mass transport, which is Fick's law, molecular energy transport, which is given by Fourier this Fourier law, and radiation energy transport, which is given by Stephen Boltzmann law. So the correct answer is A here. Now the next problem, for supersonic oxygen jet in basic oxygen furnace steel making, choose the correct combination for the following. So for this the correct answer is 1, 4 and 5. The right answer is A here, 1, 4 and 5. The next problem, this is 39th, and elutriator is used to separate particle based on their sizes in flowing air as shown in the figure. So assuming a spherical particle, the diameter d50 of the suspended particle, which have 50% chance to report to overflow by turbulent airflow, is expressed by this equation. So the right answer is A here. Next problem is this 40th problem. A fluid flow field is given by the velocity vector this, the curl of this velocity at 1. So the correct answer is this one. So the right answer is A here. Now the 41, problem number 41, which is given by this. So for this the right answer is A, that is 18. Next problem is again matching problem. So this is the 42nd problem, in which this fused salt electrolysis is for aluminum extraction, carbothermal reduction is for iron making, oxidation refining, which is for steel making, and matte converting, which is for copper extraction. So the correct answer is A here. 43rd problem, which is again matching problem, in which this gallium arsenide is for semiconductor, barium titanate is piezoelectric material, iron with 4% of silicon will say soft magnetic material, yttrium, barium, copper oxide is superconductor. So the correct answer is A here. For this 44th problem, the correct answer is A here. So for this P, we have y is equal to sin x by x. For this Q, you have y is equal to x sin square x. For R, y is equal to x sin x. For S, y is equal to sin square x by x. So the correct answer is A here. Next problem is again matching problem. This is 45th problem. So in which this crankshaft is for forging, which manufacturing process is used for these different components. Machine bed is made by casting process. Automobile brake pad is made by powder metallurgy route, and beverage can is made by sheet metal forming. So the right answer is A here. Next problem is again matching problem, in which we have to match these welding techniques with the appropriate application. So for this, the submerged arc welding is for the flat position, electroslag welding is for the thick section, and shielded metal arc welding is for the surfacing and repair, and resistance spot welding is for the thin sheet. So the correct answer is A. Concerning the chemical potential of components in a binary system at constant pressure, the correct statement. So again, this is MSQ problem. More than one option is correct here. So the right answer is, for a single phase equilibrium at given temperature, chemical potential of the component changes with the alloy composition. So this is correct. For two phase equilibrium at a given temperature, chemical potential of any component in both phases are same. So this is also correct. So the right answer is A and B. Next problem is, which of the following is or the role of the coke in blast furnace? So coke is used as a reducing agent, right? It is used as a heat source, right? It is used as the gas permeable medium, that is also right. But it is not used as a flux, because flux we use in blast furnace as a limestone, that is a dolomite something. So the correct answer is A, B and C. Reducing agent, heat source and gas permeable medium. Identify the incorrect statements. So this is the 49th problem. So in this, the correct answer is, calcination is typical exothermic and roasting is usually endothermic. So this is correct. Coking of coal is carried out in the shaft furnace, that is also correct. The aim of extractive metallurgy processing are separation, compound formation, metal production and metal purification is wrong, and this one is also wrong. So the correct answer is A and B. Which one of the following is incorrect? So these first two are incorrect. Next problem is from TTT diagram. So here we have to see which one is correct or which one is not correct. Yeah, which statement is true for the heat treatment schedule. So for this heat treatment 1, it will form martensite. For this it will form bainite. For this it will form perlite. Now we'll see. HT3 leads to the formation of perlite microstructure, that is correct. HT1 leads to the predominantly martensite microstructure, that is also correct. HT2 leads to the bainite microstructure, that is also correct. HT3 leads to the mixture of perlite and bainite, so this is wrong. So the right answer is A, B and C here. Now we'll move to the 51. So we have already discussed the detailed solution of this in our this memory based problem. So the correct answer for this one is A, B and C for this 51. Dislocation segment PQ is mixed in character, dislocation segment UT is in screw in character, and dislocation segment PU is mixed in character. So these three are the correct answer, A, B and C. Next problem is 52nd. Compared to top gating, the effects of bottom gating in sand malt casting is. So this is the 52nd problem. So the correct answer is, it reduced melt oxidation, it reduced malt erosion. So the correct answer is A and B. Now move to the next one. Choose the correct statements in the context of fusion building of austenitic stainless steel containing about 0.06 weight% of carbon. So for this, the correct answer is, corrosion resistance of heat affected zone is poorer than the base metal. So the correct answer is A here. Now we'll move to the numerical problems, which is start from this 54th. So for this 54th problem, the correct answer is 0. For this 55, which is saying enthalpy of formation of AB regular solution containing 80 atomic percent A is 3.36 kilojoule per mole. So the activity coefficient of A at 500 K for the solution containing 40 atomic percent is asking. So for this, the correct answer is ranging from 6.0 to 6.5. Now the next problem is from thin plate is loaded in a plane stress condition. So for this 56th, the correct answer is ranging between 130 to 140 MPa. So this is the, for this 57th problem, the correct answer will ranging from 200 to 210. So the detailed solution will be released soon for these kind of numerical problems. The problem number 58, for this, the correct answer will range from 7.0 to 7.5. Now for this question number 59, copper ore is saying 10 weight% copper is fed to a concentration plant at the rate of 100 tons per hour. If the grades of the concentrate and tailing are 30 weight% copper and 1 weight% copper respectively, the percentage of recovery of copper in concentrate is. So the right answer is ranging from 92 95. Next question, diffraction pattern of a polycrystalline BCC metal is obtained using monochromatic X-ray having the wavelength of 0.25 nanometer. So if the first peak occurs at the Bragg angle of 30 degree, then the radius of the metal atom in nanometer is. So radius it is asking. So the detailed solution is already published on our channel for this video, for this question. So the correct answer is between 0.132 to 0.17. Now the question number 61, which is from phase diagram. So an alloy A is cooled slowly from the liquid state to just below the eutectic temperature. The ratio of bed fraction of pro-eutectic alpha to eutectic alpha. So the correct answer is between 2.3 to 2.7. Next question, which is from corrosion. In an aqueous solution of Fe2 plus ions with concentration of 10 to the power minus 4 mole at 298 Kelvin and atmospheric pressure, the reduction potential of iron in volt is. So for this, the correct answer is ranging from minus 0.58 to minus 0.54. Now the next question is from mechanical metallurgy, in which it is asking strain hardening behavior of an alloy is given by this equation, where sigma and epsilon are true stress and true strain. So the alloy is cooled on to an unknown amount of strain followed by tensile loading. If the tensile test showed 10% reduction in area at maximum load, then the unknown amount of strain from the prior cooled work is. The correct answer is ranging between 0.18 to 0.21. Next question is 64th, which is the second last question, which is from mechanical metallurgy, from a fatigue concept. So for this, the correct answer will range from 7 to 50. And the last problem, which is again from manufacturing section. So in this, a 200 mm thick slab is rolled using 500 mm diameter rolls under cold rolling and hot rolling conditions separately. The coefficient of friction is 0.04 in cold rolling and 0.4 in hot rolling, to the ratio of maximum possible thickness reduction in cold rolling to the hot rolling. For this, the correct answer is 0.01. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will release the full solution of GATE 2023 on our channel. So please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.